Good morning everyone, this is Nilanjana Bera, your art teacher. Hope you all are good. Today we will be doing coffee painting and material required are, here I am mixing water with coffee powder to get different shades. For darker tone we can add more coffee to it. Here I prepare 4-5 tones. Let's start it with the work. Here I am doing landscape drawing, marking the trees and the land lightly with a pencil. For background coloring, I took the lightest tone of the brown and taken the flat brush for spreading it out. I'm trying to spread the color entirely on the sheet except the center because I want to leave it white. The excess color, please try to wipe it with the brush. If you want to make the base dry quickly, please use a dryer. Make sure you're taking the help of an elder. Once the first layer is semi-dry, now I'm adding the second layer with a little darker tone to it, starting from the corner to the sides. The foreground of the sheet also I'm going to do with the same middle tone. If you don't have coffee, then you can use the brown tone of the poster color or watercolor also. That will also give the same effect. For trees, you're not going to draw the complete straight line. If your hands are a little shaky, then also it will look nice. I'm just placing the tree trunk at two different levels, one at near and the other one is a little far, just to show the distance in the drawing. Even you all can try for the second and the third layer. In the ground, I'm just trying to add a little darker tone to define it. Wherever you feel like adding the dark tone is required, you can do that. The objects which are closer to you maybe look little dark. You need to switch the brush according to the requirement. Here for the grasses I am using the thin brush. Even for the branches also, here I am doing with the Y form. If you want to clearly show the background and the foreground objects clearly visible, you need to make the base dry. Here I am doing the bushes with the flat brush and a little lighter tone, and once it's little spread out, I'm going to add the darker tone to it. Here I am doing this trunk little darker. I think it should be a little darker. So it's completely upon you where you want the dark and the light tone. You can add accordingly. While doing, you can fix the sheet on the table with the doctor or a scotch tape so it should not move. Art is a continuous process and you should keep practicing, so don't stop yourself. It's almost complete. Hope you all like it and definitely try. I will be waiting for your artwork. Do send me the pics and videos, and thank you for watching it.